Buhari and doctors are on strike. My people, this one are the new developed matter wey happen since wey Buhari travel all in the name of medical checkup. Yes, for all of una wey dey aware for this matter, don bring una update. And as e be now, doctors don embark on an indefinite strike due to the poor condition of service and many other unfulfilled promises wey government don promise us. Anyhow, shall not be today. Don't think wey these people dey promise us many things and they don't fail. My people, National Association of Resident Doctors now they don't tire. They say how Buhari go fit leave Nigeria, say they go that place. They don't take this matter very serious, and now everybody dey on strike. And they wonder wetin go fit happen now. But not be that one sef be my problem. Wetin carry me come here today now because wetin be the Minister of Labour and Employment, Mr. Chris, he don't come outside now. Come give us in your wahala. And according to Ram, into say resident doctors say normally they pay before they enter residence program. Now what you talk? But for Nigeria, now then they pay them before they go enter. Say you never see that one. Say for UK and for US, the case they different. But people are begging, I don't want to waste on time again because already I don't dey vex. So because join me, make we listen to this man we no get wisdom. Join me, make we watch the video.
The people who are talking about those who are going for greener pastures. How many medical doctors in residency training in America ask government to pay them residency training fund? How many? In the United States, you pay to enter the residency program. In the UK, the same. You are paying. Here, we pay them in training, salaries and allowances, and also give them money for examination, for books, for transport, to exams. Please, Sheikh, don't draw me into that area, please.
Lies from the pit of hell. I'm not just wait. As soon as they watch this one now, how na feel? Because me to vomit, sef even they hungry me. I won't throw up. The first say minister, they call person minister. See what they come up for your mouth. Una no go gather una facts before you come outside public on the talk. I beg a point of correction. You know they pay to enter a residency training program. I beg for US. You know, I'm not just understand. Wetin be this people problem? Wetin be na problem? You pass exam and interview. That is all. Which one come be you pay before you enter? You this one, you this one. See una minister. Oh, wow, Nigeria. No, my people, see, we need prayers. We need prayers. Oh, this one not be the one that they talk say Nigeria na cruise because we have passed cruise level. Now we need prayers. This is spiritual. Which kind of demon enter all our politicians? Hey, Chineke, you now see how they go? They bring different lies just to protect their nonsense behavior. Different lies. See who they talk of money. You pay. If person hear you now, they go think say na one better money. You pay them. You work since you they compare, since you they bring UK and US matter compare to Nigeria. How much una they pay una doctors? How much Nigerian? No, how much they pay Nigerian doctors? Since this one won't come outside, when they talk many things, you pay. You get money. You work for money? I been at the money where they thief up and down. Which money? I even talked to one lady like that because she says she be a health practitioner. No, because una not say I tell una every time. I like they gather my facts. I talked to this lady. Now so the lady they tell me say ordinary internship space say they pay Nigeria. Internship space they say they pay for them. Not to talk of a residency. Now this man they come outside say, Chineke, God. Except if nobody want talk. But if everybody supposed start the open mouth, now people see. Make I tell you something. We get reasons why we no suppose dey this country again? Only to think of our politicians, you no even wan stay for this country. I no just understand. Every day these people dey bring different matter. Nigeria is in soup oh. Nigeria is in soup. For all of una wey still sit down, una relax, una think say things are getting better. My people, it is our prayer for things to get better, but things are not getting better. Let us call a spade a spade. And since these people now, they want bring a UK lifestyle, no problem. No be to pay. Ngwanu, they will pay for the residency. But make sure say the same salary where they pay UK doctors, you go pay Nigerian doctors. Since you won't bring them down, oh yeah, may we balance everything once and for all. I beg all the doctors in the house. If you don't say you dey watch me, you be doctor or you be nurse, anything wey concern injection, needle and this thing, hair, biko make una come defend una sef. I no study medicine o, na business I study, so I beg make una come defend una sef, because I don tire for these people and their mumu lies. You dey come talk to us like say we be. I no get strength for these people. I beg, if you be doctor, come outside now. We need know whether wetin this man talk na true. Because me, I don't talk the one way I know. Any other thing past this one, I don't know. So make una come help me, come support this motion. I become against this motion because I dey very sure. See, in fact, I feel even beat my chest 1000%. Say this man a lie. All of them are lie for their mouth. My people, now the matter be this. Even people wey dey from outside, they don't call me say Madam Aproko, na lie. Say for this place, don't be like that. Hey God, who do this thing to? My people abeg, na the matter be this oh. I no fit vex again. I don tire. Anything wey you guys talk now concerning this man and the raw way they raw on top of biko, drop am for that comment section. And if you get doctors as friends, share this video, because see, we need confirmation. We need to be sure that these are politicians, they know they play with our head. Very, very important. And make sure say you subscribe, share this video, and drop your comments. And as usual, I go reply now one by one. Stay tuned for our next story.